At the bottom right corner, you can drag this bar, which will increase the zoom levels. So you can zoom in or out to a maximum of 500 if you want to zoom in. If you want a keyboard shortcut, you hit Ctrl on your keyboard and scroll with your mouse with the middle button to zoom in or to zoom out. So once again, hitting Ctrl on your keyboard to zoom in and zoom out. If you want to zoom in into a specific region, let's say I want to zoom in into the bottom right corner, I'll have my mouse pointed in this region and I can zoom in and out. If I want to do it for the top left corner, I can do the same as well. For the middle, bottom left, top right. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.